no. This man is crazy. But this style, no man, at them time, they come and fight.
I think, man, I'm mad thing, man. What do you, man? I first construction site me I work on with a lesbian woman, you know.
So what's wrong with that?
I mean, that's not safe. Plus, everybody know woman not strong like man. And it look away.
Next thing, people starting so we are promote lesbian.
Alright, first thing, what if she even is a lesbian? How that affect the work? No mix cement and steel and them things they should come for carry.
Yeah.
But, and the next thing, woman not strong like man. So you think if we line up everybody in Jamaica based on them strength, the strongest woman will come after the weakest man?
No, some man stronger than some.
So that means that some woman can angle themselves on a side better than a man? And the skills make people get the work, not them gender.
Come on, man. Everybody knows that woman not do them kind of work, yeah. They rather do maid work, secretary work, or nursing.
So she mustn't do something where she good at because her gender usually do other kind of work. I stop here, try stop her food anyway now. So she not cut out for secretary work. She must force herself to do it. And probably I'll get fired rather than do something she good at and have skills in her.
Brother, she can argue, you know. She's like a liar.
Him right though. Everybody have to use them skill. To turn out them hustling.
And one thing we know about Jamaican, they use them skills to turn out them hustling.
Yeah man. Lesbian Jamaicans are Jamaicans like all the way.